Some pieces of my bar kit. Here's the pieces I need to make the cocktail you requested. Although I don't really keep alcohol in my home, so we may want to consider that when asking bartenders to make drinks, because oftentimes we don't keep alcohol in our homes for personal reasons. Jigger, vodka, pour spout, vodka, jigger. So I'm gonna do 1.5 ounces straight to the top. Vodka, using a Cremora coffee liqueur. 1/2 ounce. You tell me what cocktail I'm making. It's a little bit messy. I'm at home. Coffee. 1/2 ounce. Actually 1 ounce of coffee. So 1 ounce of coffee, 1.5 ounce of vodka, 1/2 ounce of coffee liqueur. Since I am at home, I'm gonna use a little Mexican vanilla. Yo hablo español también, so it's like totally respecto. Just a little. Don't need to add sugar because the liqueur has sugar. And I like to dilute mine by adding 1/2 ounce of non-dairy because I am non-dairy. Some bars you work at, they'll have dairy, creamer, whatever. So we get some ice. Cool, got a good amount of ice in there. So the rule with shaking, I'm not shaking like that. That's ruining the cocktail. I'm trying to bruise the ice, not completely dilute my drink. I always look for color. We're gonna pretend this is a martini glass. And strain it. To me, this one's a little too light. That's delicious. That is delicious. It's strong and it's delicious. I want more coffee in here. So I'm gonna pour it in here and I'm gonna add a whole ounce, which is kind of a lot. Definitely more than what the recipe calls for. It's my personal preference. I want more coffee. I didn't brew a 1/2 pot of coffee just for this video to only use 1/2 ounce. You know? Good to go. Frosty. Look at that. Beautiful. Use my strainer. Check out the last bits. Cheers. Woo! It was better the first time, but it's richer this time because I added so much coffee.